Hello everyone, welcome back. And you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. App Store not allowed to update app because the update button is grayed out and update button not showing in iPhone and iPad. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, launch settings. Scroll, find and tap on general and tap iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. Then what we have to do, launch App Store. Now tap on your profile icon, scroll down and sign out App Store. After sign out, force close the App Store and also force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until you get Apple logo. After the forced restart, go back to App Store and sign in back. Number 3. Reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. For that, first launch settings, then general, scroll, tap transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap reset and tap reset all settings. iPhone passcode required and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. Finally, we go for solution number 4. Launch settings. Connect to Wi-Fi, then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.